In this video, I'll show you how to use Phantom Wallet on mobile. So whether you're on iOS or Android, Phantom is a secure and user-friendly crypto wallet for Solana and other blockchains. So you can also download the extension one on your browser if you're using a PC. And now, here, after you create or import a wallet in here, so you will be able to see here the list of cryptocurrency that you can buy in here, and you will be able to see here the amounts of your account, your value of your account. So as you can see, I have a zero balance in here. So now to receive a crypto, just simply tap this receive with the bar code icon, and as you can see in here, we have a list of crypto that we can receive. And now go back to the home page. You will see here the send icon. If you want to send a crypto, just simply enter it and then search for some cryptocurrency that you want to send. So for example, I want to send a Bitcoin. Simply select on that and then enter the username or address that you want to send. And go back to the home page again. And in here, you will be able to see the swap icon in here or swap button. If you want to swap a crypto, just simply tap on it. And then in here, choose your tokens and then review the exchange rate and confirm the swap. Go back to the home page. You will also see here the buy button or buy icon. Just simply tap on it if you want to buy a token in here or crypto. And that's it. So go back in here again, and on the upper left corner, click on that, and you will be able to see here your account. You can customize your name, your addresses, and then also you can click this pen icon in there, and then you will be able to see the list of emojis. So for example, I want this, and now that's it. You can also see collectibles and then save it, and that's it. Open the settings and you will be able to see the overall settings of your Phantom account. And that's it. That's how you use a Phantom wallet on mobile for storing, sending, swapping, and connecting to the apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.